Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. First, let's get the workout going. To do it, we need to wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the workout menu, then press the middle button to start the workout. And let's say you have the workout going and you want to pause it. I don't know, maybe you saw an alien or something and you want to take a break. And to pause the workout, you simply need to press the lower button right here. And as you can see, it says paused, and that's how it looks like. And during the pause, you can do a couple things. You can open the settings for your workout, and you can change them right here. You have always this on display, power save settings, my bad. Share HR with other devices, so basically heart rate, interval timer, and countdown timer. And I believe that's all you can do during the pause. Yeah, and if you want to unpause the watch, you can, the workout, my bad, you can press the middle button on the right side, the recording will continue, and if you want to stop the workout completely, you want to end it, you can press and hold the lower button. Once you pause the workout, you can press and hold the lower button and wait until the countdown is complete and the record will be ended. And then you can press the lower button to discard the session, or press the middle button on the right to save the session and basically save your progression. I'm gonna discard mine, and that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.